every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the Kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I will try something which I believe will be the quickest soup I've tried so far from Laura, and it's her quick lemony chicken and rice soup. I was even tempted to double the recipe because I developed somewhat an obsession with soups, but I didn't have enough spinach. Oh well, maybe next time. So if you're curious to see how it goes trying this recipe out, how it looks, and most importantly how it tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 1.2 liters of chicken stock, 240 grams of cooked shredded chicken, 100 grams of rice, 90 grams of fresh spinach, washed and dried, zest of a quarter of a lemon, juice of the whole lemon, 6 grams of parsley, and salt and pepper. I'm gonna start by bringing the chicken stock in this pot over medium-high heat to boil. Okay, and now to this I'm gonna add the chicken and the rice. I'm gonna season everything with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I'm gonna cook for 15 minutes. It's basically just to cook the rice. Okay, and now the heat is off, and now to this I'm gonna add all the remaining ingredients: spinach, parsley, lemon juice and zest, and just mix everything together. Look what I've got, because this plate is hot. Am I ready to try this out? This smells really lemony, so I'm guessing it will be really sour, but let's see. This is steaming. This is lemony. Wow, I've never tried a soup this sour. But you know what? It's actually really nice. Wow, it's such an interesting combination. Oh my god, the rice looks so nice and white. Ooh, that was really hot. Oh, that's a nice soup, my god. This is such a great recipe for when you have some leftovers of practically anything and you just want something quick. This still tastes like homemade. It is homemade, but like there's no this, thickness when you make something really quick and you just put lots of stuff to enhance the flavor, or it just tastes like, it was made really quick. This, however, feels like you actually cooked it long. Maybe it's because of the chicken, maybe because of I don't know why, but this works. And I really like it. I'm so sad now that I didn't make the double batch, because this, I would have frozen half of it at least. I'm such a squirrel. I love freezing and stockpiling things, because when I see my freezer full, I'm like, yes, I'm covered. So if you want to compare, I don't know if you can see it actually, here's Laura's soup. This is mine. They look identical. I'm very pleased. If you want to watch her video, the link is there in the cards. If you want the written recipe, which I highly suggest, especially if you have some roast chicken, this is such a perfect recipe to just, just like it's kind of like leftover / cleaning the fridge kind of recipe, which are my favorite ones. So the recipe, as I mentioned, is in the description box down below in both American and the metric systems. If you want more ideas for soups, I've got you covered. Just click there. There's a whole playlist of a lot of good soups of Laura. And that's it. I have my spoon ready, I have my soup waiting for me, I have my kitchen. I'm ready to have my lunch now. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!